Hello, my name is Jeff Ryan. I'm a CX Solutions Advisor for ASR America. Today I'll demonstrate SAP Sales Cloud server-side integration with Gmail. SAP Sales Cloud's integration with Gmail gives you the ability to manage your SAP solution right from your email account. When I select an email, SAP Sales Cloud produces Facebook and LinkedIn results for the person or persons in the selected email. And here I can see that Michael Scott is representative of our B automation account. We have an open account, an open opportunity, and an open appointment with Michael. I'll go ahead and create another one pertaining to his new request for X3 laptops and the possibility of upgrading 50 of those laptops. So I'll go in, I'll create an appointment. Notice that with SAP Sales Cloud integration with Gmail, we get the subject line of the email automatically converts to the subject line of our appointment. You notice that anywhere that there's a light bulb, that information has been pulled from this system. We can see that today's date has been pulled, and it's actually in time that's before this meeting. It's actually being before we are recording this. Down here we see that B automation has been selected, and the organizer, because this email was tied to my email account, is me. So I'll go and set the status as open. Actually, we'll do in process for this one. We'll do priority, we'll make it urgent. Location, we'll set it for this ASR America Naperville location. Okay. Primary contact, I'll go ahead and search Scott. And using SAP Intelligence Search, it will pull up from our SAP database, and we'll see that Michael Scott is the one I want. I'll go ahead and save this opportunity. Okay, we can see that we have an appointment that's been set up, and it's happening today. So this will go ahead and roll down here into the next account, available appointment. I will also now go in here, and I'll create a visit. Once again, we'll notice that we have these highlighted areas have been filled in for us. So in this, all we'll have to do is add Michael Scott as a primary contact again. Okay, I'll go ahead and save this one. Okay, so now we have a visit and an appointment planned with Michael, and we have our opportunity still open from the previous time we talked to Michael. But I'll go ahead and I'll actually update this, and I'll make a different opportunity with Michael. So I'll go up here, I'll select down opportunity. This time I'll call this opportunity, we'll call it a Q4 big deal B. Okay. We'll add probability of 10. We'll make this status open. Sales phase, we're just identifying an opportunity. Process, we'll say it's on track. Once again, we have it auto filled in for us. Contact, we'll go ahead and search Scott again. Okay, select Michael Scott, select save. Okay, now that we have these opportunities and this appointment saved, let's go ahead and check our system and just verify. So I'll click open. And since I clicked open on this opportunity, it's actually going to pull up in the opportunity itself. I'll close that out and I'll show you how it comes through on our side for our server. You can see that I created Q4 big deal B that's been created. And if I hover over this, you'll see that sales phase is identifying. We have 10 for the probability, and then we have the status is open. Okay. Likewise, I'll go ahead and go to the calendar where you're going to notice that we have an appointment that's been set. Right here, this is the appointment that we created in our Gmail account. But what if you get an email from a client that's not in the system already? Well, I can see here that John Vran is actually interested in emailing me with the exploring new opportunities. Okay, so it looks like John is interested in seeing a demo. So I noticed here that it says SAP in SAP's intelligence search says there's not an SAP person that's been found. Okay, so for this, we'll go ahead and we're going to actually create an account from scratch. right in our Gmail suite. The account, I know that John is a representative of our ASAR Naperville location, so I'll go and select that. John has already been filled in here. Phone number, it pulls from our available phone numbers here. I see John's phone number here. I'll go ahead and select it. Website, we'll leave the website be because we're going to add later to him. And then location, we'll add Naperville. Add the zip code. We're going to say this is a prospect. And we'll go ahead and save. Okay, and while the system's uploading, we can see now that there's an account tied to this. But if I want to go ahead now and create a contact for John so that I have in my system, I go and click here, select down to new contact, go ahead and select it. I'll go ahead and fill in John's information. Once again, I'll make use of this, and I'll go to his direct forward line, his mobile. And then I will go ahead down here, we'll just add Mr. John's name. It already pulled up our account associated with him, and I'll go ahead and save. Okay, well, let's go and verify that John and this account have been created. So I'll do is I'll click here, I'll open from SAP. Okay, it's pulling up our contact, and we can see here that John's been created. It's pulled in our business application here. We have our mobile account that we added and our phone number we've added. And I'll go back and I'll just click this and add to see if it added the customer and the account both. And we can see it has. It's added ASAR Naperville to as an open account now for us. And if we click down here, we can see it's a prospect. And then if we back out of this and we actually want to see it just in a table view, scroll down here, we'll notice that John Vrana has been added as a contact for our Naperville location. SAP Sales Cloud's integration with Gmail gives you the ability to act faster opportunities right from your Gmail inbox. Don't let opportunities get lost in mountains of email. Integrate your SAP sales solution today with Gmail. Thank you for watching, and stay on the lookout for more ASAR videos.